Hey guys, welcome back to another quick video. Now, things are always changing on Facebook, and that's one thing that somehow you just have to adapt to. The last time I made this video, I was able to click on this image right here, which would be like your profile, and it usually would say that I could go ahead and show a story. In this case here, you don't see the prompt. So what we're going to do is head over to Meta Business Suite. And then from inside there, we're going to click More, and we're going to go to, there's your Create Story. Now, whether or not there's another way to do this, I'm not sure. This is just the other way I found out easier to do. Now it says Add Media to your story. Now we're going to go ahead and add, for us, we're going to add an image. So now I'm going to add the image here. And then keep in mind with stories, if I remember right, stories usually last within 24 hours and then they're gone. So if you're looking to just post something fun, get people engaged, stories are a good way to do it with people that are on your page, but they're not going to last very long. But again, using all these different tools with Facebook is going to help keep your page relevant and keep the engagement going. All right, so we've got the preview right there. Now what we're going to do is go ahead and click Share Story, right? We could schedule it too, but let's just go ahead and share it now. We'll click Share Now. Story's being published, may take a few minutes. I'm going to go back to the home page, and I'm just going to go ahead and hit the refresh button. And what you should be able to see, and you can see it right now, that little blue line that's around in the circle here, that means that it actually worked. So we'll click on it, and now you can click View Story. There it is. So hopefully with this help, be sure to sub for more cool tutorials just like this.